Hello guys, welcome on my channel, welcome from me and my new hair. So I cut my hair yesterday because they were really destroyed and I thought that she's just gonna cut a little bit, but she actually cut so much more than I expected. And I don't know, like I actually like it, but at the same time I miss my long hair, so well, but we are on a lockdown again, so that's fine. Hopefully after the lockdown they will be grown again, which probably won't happen because it's just a month, but you know, but I sort of like it anyway. If you're new on this channel, I would like to kindly ask you to click the likes and also to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, and so more people can see it and my channel can grow. And in today's video, I mean, no surprise, we're going to talk about skincare, and today more specifically we're going to talk about the niacinamide and its benefits, because it has tons of benefits. It's genuinely one of the best skincare product on the market, and today we will talk about the benefits of the niacinamide and also how to use niacinamide and my personal favorite products with niacinamide. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. So first thing first, what is niacinamide? Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B, and more specifically a form of vitamin B3. And as you know, we have these three main vitamins when it comes to skincare. We have vitamin A, which is retinol, we have vitamin B, which is niacinamide, and we have vitamin C, which we know what vitamin C is. We also have vitamin E, which is highly moisturizing. So you know, there is a lot to know when it comes to skincare, but vitamin B3 specifically is one of the most stable ingredient when it comes to skincare. So it's genuinely good for all the skin types, and it shouldn't give you any irritation or any redness regardless of what is your skin type. Neither it should give you any sort of purging or anything like that. It's just basically the most stable and the best ingredients of all, and that is why I feel like it's so popular at the moment, because regardless of your skincare, you can use it. And even if you have no idea what to mix it with and what to use after or before, it's still fine, because you can actually mix niacinamide with most of the products, even if it's retinol or vitamin C. Alright, so I forgot to say that if you have sensitive or very dry skin, mixing vitamin C and niacinamide is not the best option. But if you have normal, oily or combination skin, it should all be fine. You can do it and it shouldn't give you any irritation. So it is very nice, especially for the beginners, because you don't really need that much of a knowledge. And let's talk about the vitamin B3 benefits, because there is a ton of them. Okay, I specifically have written 12, but I'm sure there is much more. So I have my notebook here and let's start. So niacinamide improves skin barrier function. It also reduces wrinkles and fine lines, which is really important, especially after your 20s. Taking care of your wrinkles is important to prevent the aging. And then it also decreases hyperpigmentation. So if you're struggling with hyperpigmentation and with acne scars, this is also the best product for you. Then we're moving on to improving skin elasticity, very important. Decreasing redness, and when it comes to this, it also really helps with rosacea. So if you're having rosacea, niacinamide is the product for you. Niacinamide also brighten your face, so if you're struggling with the melanin production and you also have just sun damaged skin, niacinamide is also a great product to help you fighting with those sort of stuff. Then niacinamide also increases the thickness of your skin layer, and it helps to remove acne scars. It also increases the collagen production, and it minimalizes your pores. And I feel like that's what is the most popular thing when it comes to niacinamide, and that's what niacinamide is known, is the fact that it really minimalize and shrink your pores, especially if you're having oily skin or combination skin like moi. You know, the large pores are something that we struggle on a daily basis, and when it comes to pores, there's no way to actually get rid of them completely, because they will always be there. The only thing you can do is to shrink them and minimalize the appearance of them, and this is why you should use niacinamide, because it really helps a lot. And I feel like when it comes to large pores, this is definitely the best product on the market. Niacinamide also have the anti-inflammatory properties, so it's great with fighting with acne and also acne scars. And especially that you probably know that retinol is also great when it comes to fighting with acne and acne scars. But when you have a dry skin, sensitive skin, and sometimes even combination skin, retinol can cause purging and also skin irritation and so on, because it is much more unstable product and you need to be much more careful with it. But niacinamide doesn't have those side effects, so you can easily replace the retinol when you have a bad skin irritation after it with niacinamide, or you can just use both of them and, for example, use the niacinamide in the morning and then the retinol in the evening, and so you will get rid of all the acne and acne scars and all the nasty things that we don't want to have on our face, right? Because who wants to? No one. Niacinamide also helps with removing sebum and also with just helping with the sebum production in general. And so if you have combination on oily skin and you're just struggling with that daily shininess on your face, that is why you should also use niacinamide to get rid of it and just be, well, if you have an oily skin, I mean, of course, it's not like your face is going to be matte 24/7, but with using vitamin B, you will definitely improve the appearance of your face. And also, niacinamide helps you with protecting your skin from the outside barrier. And outside barrier, I mean basically everything that is happening outside, meaning pollution and all the things that you just want to protect your skin from. And it's basically the same as when it comes to vitamin C, because vitamin C has a really similar properties, although vitamin C is much more unstable, while niacinamide is perfectly stable. So it's just basically retinol, vitamin C, and so many other things in just one product. And when it comes to using niacinamide, I personally use niacinamide for around a year, and I actually stopped using it a few weeks ago, and now I see that my face definitely needs it again, because I can see that my pores are just going larger again, so I need to definitely introduce it to my skincare again. But as I said, niacinamide can be mixed with everything, so you can just basically choose the perfect time in a day that you want to use niacinamide, because it can be used either in the morning or in the evening. But if you're having dry skin, sensitive skin, using it in the morning might leave this like really weird sort of white layer on your face, and it can actually reflect under your makeup. So if you're having dry or sensitive skin, I would rather recommend it use it in the evening. But if you have oily combination or normal skin, you can easily use it in the morning as well. There's so many different products that contains niacinamide, but when it comes to serum, that is the one that is the most popular, I think. You just basically wash your face, do your toner, and then you apply the serum, and on top of that you apply the moisturizer, and then you apply the sunscreen. Obviously, sunscreen is key. I personally been using only the one from The Ordinary, which is the 10% plus zinc. I think it was zinc 2% or 3%, I don't remember exactly right now, but I made a whole review, so you can check it here, that I was talking about my experience with niacinamide. And this product is around £5, which I feel like is very, very fair price, as usual, because it is The Ordinary. And when it comes to another very affordable niacinamide, I would say that the one from Inky. I've heard so many good reviews about it, and the price is also super extra fair. So if you don't want to try the one from The Ordinary, you can always go for the one from Inky. The price is the same and the opinions are more or less the same. But again, what I've heard is that even though niacinamide is like extremely stable and extremely safe, it still can cause purging on some people who are using The Ordinary niacinamide, because the concentration is at 10%, which is basically the highest concentration you can ever get. And that is why sometimes when people have sensitive skin, it can still cause purging or the sort of redness or irritation. So if you have that sort of skin, I would rather go for something that is at 5% or at, I don't know, like not 10%, okay, just like lower, 10. And I recently saw that The Ordinary has this new sort of niacinamide in a powder. Never tried it, but let me know if you did, and maybe I will do a review about it if you want to. I mean, why not? I actually need to buy another niacinamide, so maybe this time I will buy the powder one and I will do the review about that. And then when it comes to a little bit more expensive niacinamide, the one that I can highly recommend is from Paula's Choice, which is one of the best skincare brands overall. And this is the booster niacinamide, which I feel like it's so easy to use because you can just add a few drops into your cream or your serum and you're good to go. So yeah, that's it when it comes to niacinamide. I genuinely love it. I highly recommend it to everyone. It's one of the best skincare product. Also guys, I forgot to mention that in order to see our results, you need to use niacinamide for at least 8 weeks. It is usually between 8 to 12 weeks until you see the results, so be patient. And yeah, if you have any question, don't forget to leave them down below, and also let me know what is your personal experience with niacinamide, if you ever use it, or maybe you're planning to use it, and what is your skin reaction after, and how is your skin looking like after using it. So please let me know in the comment section down below. And well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Also, don't forget to leave the likes and subscribe and click the notification, and also check out my Instagram and TikTok.